Alright guys, well I'm out here at the field. I've got my plane out. I'm going to start setting everything up, get my ground station going, and get going with this Maiden here. Pretty excited. Alright guys, so the rest of this Maiden went great. The Arkbird is working great. I'm going to be doing a review on that soon. But it's completely boring, so I'm not going to bore you guys by watching me fly around in a circle for 30 minutes. So I'm going to cut to this video here where I'm flying at Kite Hill. Just going to show you some of the highlights. I have a lot of jello going on, so I've got to balance the prop a little bit better. But I tell you, the plane is flying great. I'll talk to you guys next time, and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, I'm going to test return to home here. Yep, return to home is working.
I need your heart. I need your heart. I need your heart. I need your heart.
Hey guys, hey man, hopefully you enjoyed that flight. Unfortunately, me and my buddy here weren't able to do some proximity. We couldn't find each other in the air, but we were kind of far out there, so it was a bit like a shot in the dark to get that stuff going. So, hey, thanks for joining my channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye.